So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. A lot of you guys are asking for the detailed tutorial for this. So first of all, click on Start Lab and just open the Cloud Console incognito window. So here, if you want to complete this lab quickly, you can check the playlist of the channel. So just move ahead. And now here, I will also link it in the description of this video. No need to worry about it. Now just click on I understand. Now once you have clicked on I understand, it will open the Cloud Console where you have to just click on I agree and continue, and after that we have to just to activate the Cloud Shell. So let me show you how you can activate the Cloud Shell like this. First of all, from here click on I agree and then click on agree and continue. Now the step is that we have to just activate the Cloud Shell. So for the Cloud Shell, click over here like this. Now click on continue. Now again click on authorize yourself. It will take some time. Now the first thing is that we have to set up our environment. That is, first we need to export the region and zone. So for that, go to the setup and requirements and scroll down a bit. So as you can see, this is the region and zone. Just copy and paste on your Cloud Shell session. So basically we have set the region and zone, which will be important for this part of this lab. Let me increase the font size because I came to know many of you are doing via mobile only. So let's first of all open the SSH of the admin. Basically you have to type Y and hit enter, again hit enter and hit enter. Basically here we will be opening 3 SSH. One is of admin and second one is of auditor and the third one is we'll explore in this lab. Can you guess? Now just run the sudo command like this. After that we have to export it. Export this. And after that we have to just run this command. Just follow the way I am doing. And you will definitely get the score. Now paste this. You will get the data of the clusters. So this is it. Now we have to apply namespace in rules. So just run it. So this is also done. Now we have to move forward to the lab instructions and again move to the next step. And if in case here you haven't liked the video, like it and do subscribe the channel. So let's move ahead. Once you have run this, hit the check my progress. Now we have to SSH the owner SSH. So here you may face one error and this was the answer which SSH we are trying to open. Now if you are getting this kind of error on the previous task, you need to just wait because lab takes time to update the score. So now we have to just open a new SSH session. For that, open the new Cloud Shell. First let's try to hit check my progress and we got the score. Now here we are opening the owner SSH. So in the next, just run over it, and if you will try to type Y and hit enter, you won't be able to get the score. As you can see, this was our old SSH session that was of admin and we are in the owner SSH. So we got this error. If you try to rerun again, you will face this error. Why? Because here you have to select the zone differently. So here just paste it again and this time you have to type N and then hit enter. So this, I hope this clears your doubt. And finally we are in the SSH session of the owner, that is the owner SSH. So you have to just install the Qwiklabs plugin and it will take some time, so wait for it. Finally you can see we are the SSH is now idle. Now once you have authorized, you have to just run this create endev manifest.yaml. and we have created hello server and the deployment server also. Now run again the production one. So basically we are creating service and deployment. After that, once you have production done, now we have to run the test. So basically we are creating 3 deployments. Okay. Now basically we are creating a server in each namespace, to be more precise. Now this part has been done, all are running. Now you have to just make sure you have run this in the admin section. Now another SSH we have to open, that is the auditor. Just click on a plus icon. So now here what you need to do, paste it. Now again if you type Y and then hit enter, you will get the same issue like this. So what you need to do, just as previous step, type N and then hit enter. Now as you can see the SSH is loading and you will be able to complete the next steps. So let's complete it together and make most of the lab. So this is the thing, the auditor SSH is now ready. Now again we have to install the Qwiklabs Auth plugin, so just run it. It will take some time. After that if you want to view the pods you can check this out. Also same with like this. Okay. Now if you want to view the pods in the namespace you can run the above commands. So now let's do the main thing which we have to do. So as you can see the auditor is ready. Now we have to create this dev manifest.file. You can see on the 9 number. Now once you have done this, after that we have to delete the deployment. That is this one. So now we have to go to the admin shell. So just click on it, make sure the SSH is admin one. So now you have to run it. Now just hit check my progress. You will get the score, and if it takes this error, you need to just wait till the pod labeler is created. Even if it is created showing in the shell, still it takes time, so wait for 1 to 2 minutes and then again hit check my progress. I hope this clears your most of the doubt, and if you want to complete other skill badges and labs, you can always check the description and like the video and subscribe the channel too for more such amazing content. Thank you. Now let's try to complete this lab together. See, we got the score on this particular task. Now for the next task we have to just do one thing, that is run this number 2 command of the task number 3. You can see on admin instance. So make sure you are in the admin instance. Now just run it and hit enter. So this part has been done and we don't have to run the next step. So here you can see it's showing configured like or in the cloud shell. Now you'll hit check my progress and you will definitely get the score. If you again face like this error, just wait for a few more minutes and retry again and again. It will definitely work. If you have followed the way I have done in the lab, you will get the score. Now the one more thing is that you have to just make sure that your laptop does not go on sleep. That means if your laptop does go on sleep, your cloud shell will get disconnected and you won't be able to get the score. So now keep trying, wait for 1 to 2 minutes. So we got the score. You can, if you are facing this kind of error, you need to wait for 4 to 5 minutes also sometimes. So now we are in the last step of this lab, that is we have to run the fix. So we do not need to run this query. If you want you can run it, but let's move to the main part of this lab. So on 3 number of task number 3, we have to just copy it and paste over here. Now this has been done. As you can see, it's showing configured for the first one and rest remains unchanged. Now again run the second command. Basically this was the same command only. I ran twice, so no need to worry about it. Now you will definitely get the score. And if you are new to this channel, like the video and subscribe to the channel. So suppose if you are unable to see the score, what you need to do, you need to refresh the browser window and retry with the lab. So this is the main thing which you need to understand. So just wait for a few more seconds. Yes, finally we got the score, and that's the way we have to complete this lab. If you like the way I have solved this lab and want a short tutorial for it, you can check the description, and do like the video and share the channel with your communities. Thank you guys. Have a great day ahead. Let me show you. Once we get 100, we will end the lab. So if you want to know how to enable this check my progress bar, for that also you can check the description like this. As you can see here, leaderboard dimension, how to enable this, check the description.